We're about to watch a full ride of Big Bear Mountain Coaster at Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. But before we do, I want to walk you through the line queue. This is a 39-inch minimum height requirement. There is a time saver option, so you could skip up to the front. But I'm going to bring you over here to the right on the standard line, and you have this first little covered area. It has some fans up above, and here is a sample of some of the audio you would hear while you're waiting in line.
You know, I'm organizing a search to find him.
I do.
Do you have any ideas where I can look?
He could be just about anywhere. It might be pretty hard to find him, but if you bring some honey with you, I bet he'll find you.
Yeah, that's the plan. Thanks.
As you continue on to the next covered area, you'll notice some honey up on the wall along with various gear. And continuing on, we're going to bear right here as we're getting very close to actually getting onto the ride. I'm going to take you on a full ride. You can see the highest point right here. This is a really fun section of the ride, this last little bit. So we're almost up to the front, and I wanted to make sure you could get a good look at what the actual coaster looks like. You can see some storage bins across from it. Before we take off, I wanted to give you a good clear look at what the seats are like. I'm 6'1", 200 pounds. I had no problem pulling down this lap bar for me. So without further ado, let's sit back, relax, and go for a search for Big Bear. That wraps up our ride on Big Bear Mountain at Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Have you been on this ride? What did you think about it? Or would you like to ride it? Hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this POV video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.